Hello food lovers, welcome back to Senarmy Kitchen. In today's episode, we're diving into one of Anambra's finest delicacies, Ofe Onugbu. The rich, aromatic, and deeply flavorful bitter leaf soup you're absolutely going to love. This recipe is packed with traditional goodness, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. Freshly washed bitter leaves, palm oil, cocoyam for thickening, beef and yellow pepper, ogiri, seasoning cubes, dry fish, stockfish, salt to taste, and crayfish. Stay with me as we turn these beautiful ingredients into a pot of pure Anambra magic. Let's begin. And there you have it, my amazing food lovers. Our delicious Anambra-style Ofe Onugbu is ready. Just look at that richness, the aroma, the flavor, absolutely irresistible. Step-by-step preparation of Ofe Onugbu. Step 1, prepare your proteins. Wash your beef, dry fish, and stockfish thoroughly. Put them in a pot, add salt, seasoning cubes, and chopped yellow pepper. Add water to the level of the meat and cook until the beef and stockfish are soft. Step 2, prepare the cocoyam. Peel and wash the cocoyam. Boil until tender. Pound it into a smooth paste or blend it. This will act as your soup thickener. Step 3, add palm oil. Pour in a generous amount of palm oil into the boiling meat stock. Allow it to boil for a few minutes so the oil blends properly. Step 4, add cocoyam paste. Add small scoops of the cocoyam paste into the pot. Cover and let it dissolve slowly, thickening the soup. Step 5, add crayfish and ogiri. Step 6, add your washed bitter leaf, squeeze to remove excess water. Stir and let everything cook together so the flavor balances out. Taste for seasoning and add more salt if needed. Step 7, reduce the heat and let the soup simmer until it becomes rich. Thick and well combined, serve hot with fufu, pounded yam, or gari. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Senarmy Kitchen. For more mouth-watering recipes from across Nigeria and beyond, hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thank you so much for spending time with me in the kitchen. Until next time, keep cooking with love and keep your taste buds happy. Bye for now.